Once upon a time, a young sailor named Jack loved exploring the seas. One day, while walking along a quiet beach, he found an old bottle buried in the sand. Inside was a treasure map leading to a distant island. Excited, Jack set sail in search of adventure. After days at sea, Jack reached the mysterious island. It was covered in thick jungle and strange sounds echoed all around. With his map in hand, Jack made his way through the trees, crossing rivers and climbing hills until he found a spot marked with an X. Eagerly, Jack dug into the ground and soon unearthed a wooden chest. Inside, he found piles of gold and jewels, more treasure than he had ever imagined. Just as Jack was about to celebrate, he heard voices behind him. A group of pirates had followed him and demanded the treasure. Jack knew he couldn't fight them, so he grabbed a vine and swung into the trees, escaping into the jungle. The pirates chased him, but Jack was clever and lost them in the thick foliage. When Jack returned to his boat, he felt both relieved and disappointed. He had found the treasure but had to leave it behind. As he sat thinking, a small parrot flew down and perched on his shoulder. Jack had helped the bird earlier in the jungle, and now it wanted to repay the favor. The parrot led Jack to the pirates' ship, hidden among the rocks. While the pirates were distracted, Jack quietly retrieved the treasure chest and swam back to his boat. By the time the pirates noticed, Jack was already sailing away with the treasure. Jack returned to his village a hero, sharing the wealth with everyone so no one would be poor again. His new friend, the parrot, stayed by his side, and they set off on more adventures together.